Hello my dear everyone. You know I have been posting gouache videos from last 2 weeks in different parts. So today I am going to post last video of this landscape. And from this you will learn today how can you go in more depth into any of your gouache work. Basically I am going to touch in every part of this work. So as you see, I am applying white color gradually to provide more realistic look of catkin. To maintain natural realistic look, you must be concentrate that how a catkin look alike, what is the character of a catkin, and when they meets with light and shadow, what color they contain from nature. So there is a lots of thing you have to be set up into your mind before applying them. So you see when I am applying them, I also maintaining their character, that applying lots of few lines, moving their direction, like applying color in different directions. You know when wind flows, nature's light objects start to moving, so it can be catkin, wave of the river, leaves, flowers and lots of. I'm just providing you the knowledge so that you can imagine with me when start new work about nature. In the catkin detailing portion, you may see now or later I am applying or I will apply grey color and yellow green color as a catkin. Grey for shadow and yellow green for newborn catkin. When catkin born, they look like a little white, yellow, green. Now talk about to create wave of the river. First of all, apply white color on previous applied color. It will provide your work a little greenish water. Now create the dark olive green and follow the direction of mine. Try to apply little lines, some curvy lines to create waves. Don't put unnecessary lines. Remember, the line will increase where the shadow of subject appear more. As far as go, the line will decrease. You may see that waves actually seen more near to the river bank, so that's the thing I have applied in my work. Also, apply white color for more shining look of the water. Now talk about the bushes. You saw my previous videos, I have applied dark color first. Now apply sharp lines with pale green, yellow ochre and yellow. Some of brown lines will make your work better. Find the place where lines demands and be patient and apply lines from various angles. Also apply grasses with dark blue-green. Finally, use pen to apply more detail on figure, boat, background and on river. So that's it of this whole gouache tutorial. Will make you better on gouache. See you soon with my new tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.